Assalamualaikum and good evening. So we are from Lane Holdings India Berhad, and we will do presentation about our project Lane Line Detection. So before that, our member I would like to introduce our member, which is myself, Siti Nabiha, and then my teammates Siti Memuna, Siti Zulaika, and Khalid Taufik. Alright, so before we begin, this project is about we creating a system that can detect line on the road. So this can help drivers to drive in a very unclear condition, such as during. And here is our Gantt chart throughout the projects. So we divided our work according to our members and our specialty. And here are our risk identification charts. Using this chart, we decided which one of the tasks is the primary one, and then which one is the less important ones. So this chart help us to decide the task. And here for the project funding, we decided that meeting would be the primary one. And this is for the acquisition planning. And this is the RAM for contracting, requirement analysis, system design, and system development. And this is for the system implementation. And this is our project planning summary. So this is our budget. Okay, next will be Siti Maimuna.
Okay, I am Siti Maimuna, so I will explain about part implement the project plan. So basically this part is for to determine whether the system is able to detect the length of the road accurately or not in good and bad weather. So basically for the deliverables, what is the project has successfully achieved. So the system is successfully able to detect line on the road. Second is the detector is able to extract information about the position of the vehicle with respect to the road from the video image. And the lastly is the system is able to provide high accuracy in line deviation and headway distance estimation. So for the task and estimate cost, this is our project. So basically in here we have the overall project cost, grant request amount, finish. Next is milestone chart. So basically it have milestones, schedule to complete, and actual completion. So for the next part, I will pass to Siti Zulaika.
This is the part where we execute the project. So for this part, we use Python Anaconda 3 to code the detector. The detections need to do the image processing, so to train the model, and also a webcam to capture the environment. So for the system, we use OpenCV as the library to do the image processing. So let's see, here is our code. We have until okay. If you look into the code, we have a few techniques that we use, a few functions of OpenCV of image processing that we use. So you can see the first one is the Gaussian blur. So this Gaussian blur is to remove all the noises from the images or the videos, and we use it to our pictures that we have captured. And the next one is Hodge lines. Okay, so Hodge lines transformation is to isolate all the shape in the image into the vector. And there's also Canny edge detector. This Canny edge detector is to sharpen to detect the edge of the lines in the image, so that we can get the one that we need, the line. The detection is done by detecting the edge of the vector of the line of the vector, so that it can recognize the shape of the straight shape of the in the image. And then okay, so this is where we do the image processing. So you can see the step by step we do to detect the line. So the first one, we do the grayscale, change the color image to the black and white, and then we do the Kenny edge detector, and then we apply the mask. Then we do the Hodge line transformation. So the outcome of the result of the system detection, the decoding is successful, and the result from the detection is this. So we have two images here. So the first one is this. You can see in the image that the line is drawn on the lane. So we can see that this the line is following the lane that shows that the detection is successful. So for the second one, is the same. You can see this one and this one. It's not that visible, but you can see, and this is what we use to detect our this is the detection of our system. Okay, thank you.
Hello, I want to show you our AIPM mini project. Here I want to show you our coding. Here in our file, I choose this video from YouTube. For example, we set the name as number 8. So here we run the code here. You can see. After we run, we can get the output with the detection. The output will be under name output number 8. After uploading, we can see the new video in our file, as we can see here, with detection. You can see the detection here. That's it, our coding, our system. Thank you, and have a nice day.